Hey, what's up guys? Dr. M3 here, and by now you've seen my new M4 CSL that's sitting behind me here in Alpine White. I love this car. We just did its first wash. It has not had its PPF yet, and I have to drive out to my friends at Blackout Tinting in Latrobe, Pennsylvania. So it's a pretty long drive, and with all the carbon fiber and brand new paint, I want to protect it. Now, I've partnered with Expel over the years on all my cars. In fact, I've covered all the cars, and in fact, that's what's going to happen here. But I needed a way to protect the paint for that trip. So we're going to be using something called their Trackwrap. And it comes in a number of different sizes. What I have here is the 12 by 40. And we're going to protect the high-risk area. So this is all the front, including the carbon fiber splitter up front. We're going to do the mirror caps. We're going to do the wheel arches, maybe the rocker if we have enough, and maybe the diffuser in the back. So I'm going to show you how we actually do that. I'm going to start my unboxing here with my trusty box cutter. Let's go ahead and cut this open, and I think it should just fall off. There we go. So on the inside is the unit itself, and we also get in the package a squeegee. Now, why would you use this? I'm going to be using it just for transport, but this car, as you know, is a track car. It's the fastest BMW ever made. Oops, lots of noise here. Fastest BMW ever made around the Nürburgring. And so, of course, you could actually put this over your PPF, or if you don't have PPF, temporarily to protect your paint if you're going on long trips or if you're taking the car on the track. So I'm going to open this and show you what it looks like. It looks like your typical PPF, except that it's temporary. So shout out to Expel for sending this out to us. So I'm going to open this here. Let's try to just cut that tape. And I'll show you what this film looks like. So the track wrap that we have is 12 inches wide. So we're gonna walk over to the car, and I think the first part I want to do is the bonnet itself. So we're gonna measure out and see what's the first length that I need to. And this is, let's say, 60 inches, okay? So we're gonna go ahead here and measure out 60 inches. And so we're gonna peel it off. And if you've ever seen PPF done before, there's a method to this madness. So we're gonna go ahead and pull this back, and I'm gonna line it up here with the very front edge of this here. Oh, nope, we gotta bring it down a little bit because I want it to cover all the way down there. So perfect. So it's not exactly on yet, but we're going to, and it's not an exact science because remember, this is not permanent. This is just temporary. So I'm just trying to protect the car as much as possible. Now we have a squeegee here. So we're gonna go ahead and try to lift this up and squeegee some of the air out just to try to get it down, okay? So I can lift the edge up here a little bit. And again, not exact science. This is not professional PPF. And again, that's not my job. My buddies out at Blackout Tinting, they're the ones that will get this right on the final PPF. But we just want to get some paint protection on here to help minimize the risk of rock chips on our trip out. Now you notice that I sort of have it over the line here a little bit because I don't want to get a chip right on the border there. So I'm gonna do that. And again, I know this is a terrible job, but again, the goal here is just temporary protection. And that's what this film is designed for. It's temporary protection. This is not about, permanent kind of quality here. So I know I'm probably going to get roasted in the comments, but that's okay. Notice I have this big spot here, and it's okay. I'm going to actually just leave that just because this is a curved bonnet itself, and I just need to get it on here. And again, I'm sure there's a better way to put this on. Again, my goal is just to get me temporary protection for the 40-mile ride that I'm going to be doing. Now, it looks like we have it a little bit short, and that's fine. Again, it's partially because it's kind of curved here, but, well, as I said, it doesn't look gorgeous, but that's not the point. It's just temporary protection. So next I'm going to do the mirror caps here. And again, it doesn't have to look great. The key here is just to temporarily protect the leading edge here while we transport this out. So again, there it is. That's all I'm looking for, is just protection of the area significantly. And that's it. So doesn't look, this is not PPF, this is not my job, but again, if you think about it, you're just going to go to the track and you want to protect your paint. Easy install. All right, guys, that's going to do it for this video. It's quick, dirty, just designed to protect your paint. This Trackwrap by Expel help us transport the car to get its full PPF by our friends out at Blackout Tinting. Hope you enjoyed this video. Lots more videos to come with the new 2023 M4 CSL. I can't wait to get this on the track. It's going to get on the track at least once. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn notifications on. See you guys in the next video. All right. I know it's a little crazy. This is the first drive. We're taking the car out to